Hello and welcome back to my channel. Glad to see that you joined today for yet another appointment I'm glad you joined today for yet another appointment to travel around the world. We're now going to Argentina, and as you see, I'm in a perfect attire. My friend that I have since I was very young told me what I should wear. Fun fact, I was planning on going to Argentina this year probably to finally see my second family again, but yeah, I don't think it's going to happen. Well, about Argentina, we all know that it's famous for its steaks, but it's also famous for its barbecues. We're going to pretend to be having a barbecue because, well, we don't have any charcoal, so we can't really do a barbecue at home. But yeah, we're going to have some steak, and we're going to make a typical Argentinian sauce called chimichurri. I'm going to use the recipe from an incredibly talented YouTuber from Argentina, Paulina Cocina. I love her recipes, and I'm obviously going to use her recipe that she shared probably a long time ago. And yeah, let's get ready to cook. Well, here we are, ready to cook at our barbecue. I have two steaks. I don't have Argentinian steaks, I have local steaks because I'm supporting local businesses. I hope that you're going to taste nice. I'm going to use a dry aged steak, which is quite famous and quite renowned around here. This one has been aged for approximately 30 days, so apparently it's incredibly good. We'll see about that. So we're ready to start. It's a very simple, easy recipe, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So we will need obviously steak. We have two steaks because we're two people. Then for the salsa chimichurri, we need 2 tablespoons of finely minced parsley, 1 tablespoon of finely minced oregano. This one is from my garden, but it's from a couple of weeks ago. This one is straight from my garden. It's a bit bleached because we have a lot of sun and it's not getting tanned, it's getting white. 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of chili powder. You might use more if you want it more spicy. A good gulp of aceto balsamico vinegar. Half a teaspoon of salt. Pepper. 1 clove of garlic that we will crush. Olive oil. And a container with a lid because we'll have to shake our sauce. Let's put it all together. So I'll be using a funnel to help me get the ingredients inside my container without making a mess. Start by pouring in the oregano and the parsley, followed by the paprika and the chili. Then we also add the garlic that I'm going to crush here. You can also mince it with a knife, but it has to be very fine. That's very important. Now we need our salt, the pepper. Now we don't need the funnel anymore, or for now we don't need it. We now cover all the ingredients with oil. Like so. Now we add a nice gulp of balsamico. And now comes the fun part. You close the lid. And you shake it. And now we shake it We shake it like we mean it. We work our biceps like a shake weight. It's important to shake it. You can't stir it. It's like a martini. Shake, shake, shake. So now it's time to fry our steak. Everyone can fry it as they please, how they like it, well done or not. I like it medium rare, so I'm going to try that. I coated my cast iron pan with a bit of oil to avoid the steak sticking to it like crazy. We flip it. Here's our finished steak with our chimichurri. I added some potatoes, courtesy of my Argentinian friend. One thing that you shouldn't forget about chimichurri is that you should shake it every time you're going to pour it, because the oil is obviously going to rise above the other ingredients. And in order to mix it again, you should shake it, and then you can pour it. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. I hope you enjoyed our quick trip to Argentina. Next week, if you would like to, we're going to another country. We're going back to Europe. And well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have any recipes that you would like me to try or that you would suggest me to use as a recipe for your country, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, stay safe, take care, and see you next week. Bye!